Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to use some more colors from the new collection from Kozmik Nails called Surfing USA. Now, this collection here, it's amazing. It was just released from Kozmik Nails. You can get these colors individually or in a set. Now, we're going to start out with this beautiful yellow, and it is called California Dreamin'. And this by far is the perfect yellow, in my opinion. And it is hard to find the perfect yellow, because a lot of times yellows are really hard to work with, and you can see here that we are doing the gel method today, and this yellow is full coverage and it's not streaky or chalky at all. A lot of times yellows will look chalky, and you'll have kind of like a white streakiness to it. Not with this at all. This is a very full coverage yellow. It's very easy to work with, and the undertone of this yellow, it's gorgeous. It has like a slight dark retro yellow to it. And overall, it is gorgeous and it is everything. This is a really great yellow to have because it's going to complement a lot of skin tones, and it's going to be a perfect yellow, especially for that autumn fall season. Overall, it's a really great yellow to have in your collection. So here's that second dip. You can really see that just punch of that yellow is just coming through, and it is everything. So you can tell already that I'm super obsessed with this beautiful yellow. But to be honest, I really like all the colors in this collection. I think they're so fun and beautiful. And we have that beautiful teal that you're going to see here in a minute. We're also going to be using a really fun glitter. Now stay tuned. We are going to use these colors again in another video. I just ordered a nail wrap from Kozmik Nails. Kozmik Nails also has some fun nail wraps, and there was one in there that's like a retro bikini one that we're going to use. I just thought that would be a really fun way to kind of like tie in another summer mani before we go into some fall and autumn ones. I know it's already going to be that time on my channel soon, because I want to make sure that you can all order things in like ahead of time, so you have it when you are ready to do your fall and autumn manis. But I just thought that those decals were just going to be really fun, and her nail wraps are amazing. I don't know if you've ever checked out Kozmik Nails website, but if you haven't, you definitely need to, because there's so many gorgeous things on there, from dip powders to vinyl stickers to full coverage nail wraps and to some decals. So definitely head over there. Okay, so now we're going to go into this gorgeous glitter, which, by the way, this glitter is magical, and it is called Big Kahuna, and it is reminding me of like this shimmery wave coming in, crashing down on the beach sands in Hawaii. And it's so fun. It's like the perfect teals. It has some specks of yellow glitter to kind of tie in this whole mani together. So I'm just gently pressing down those glitters there, and I cured it for 30 seconds and I brushed it off. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some more glitter to this. And this glitter right here is really fun because it also has some star shapes in there, which are really pretty, and it's definitely giving me like these beachy vibes with the starfish on there. But to clean up this glitter here, I'm going to use a precision tool, and I'm going to remove some of those chunkier pieces and just move them around away from the free edge and the cuticle area. But you can see here that this glitter is laying really, really flat to the nail. Now, when I'm making press-ons, I love glitters that lay super flat, and this one is just melting into that gel, and it is laying so flat where I did not even need to file and buff this. On the top, I just filed like the edges just to clean up like the free edge and the cuticle area, but I did not have to buff the top of this because it laid super flat and there was nothing, and I mean nothing, sticking up. So that is a plus when I'm working with glitters, because I want them to perform as well as I can, especially when it's coming to a press-on, to help reduce any bulk, because you're going to be able to see a lot of bulk with a press-on, and I don't want to have to file and buff for hours and then risk cutting into glitters. But I just hand placed some of those more little star pieces on that nail and some finer glitter to add dimension. And guess what? This is all I did for filing and buffing. I just cleaning up the sides, and that is it. That is all I did for the whole mani. So I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera, and now we're going in with a top coat, and we're just going to go ahead and apply that. And then after that, we're going to cure it for 60 seconds, and that's it. And if you ever experience any flaking or peeling, go in with a layer of gel base, cure it for 30 seconds, and then go in with your favorite top coat, and that should help prevent that. But here's the finished mani. I cured it for 60 seconds. I love this mani. Now tell me this doesn't scream summer, and that glitter is amazing. You can really see in the lights, it picks up that teal and the yellows, and it just complements this mani so well. It's a very, very simple mani, but yet we have that pop of sparkle. I love it so much, and this mani right here is like the perfect summer mani, and it has those retro colors in it. Again, look at how bright this yellow is. It's just like the perfect yellow, and when you add that top coat with the shine, it takes this mani to a whole nother level, but I love it so much. And stay tuned, we will be doing another mani featuring colors from this collection when I get that really fun nail wrap in, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be really exciting, especially the color that I'm going to pair with this wrap. I just feel like it's going to really just tie in this mani. Without any spoilers, I'm really excited about it. But I will link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I also have a discount code for Kozmik Nails. Anytime I do a mani, and if I have a discount code linked with any of the products, I will definitely list that in that description box below for everyone. So just keep that in mind. And then if you scroll all the way down, I have discount codes to other things that may be useful to you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this mani. I love it so much, and I will see you soon in my next upload.